Every business today wants to provide those rich, personalized experiences their customers know and love. But quite often, they lack the right data infrastructure required to power those customer centric experiences. With the Twilio Segment customer data platform, you can collect and clean raw customer data from every place where customers are interacting with your brand, and then send that data downstream so you can deliver unified, personalized experiences. This means every tool in your tech stack and every person in your organization has access to the same rich, accurate customer data to help deliver those memorable experiences your customers expect. Let's dive in and see how it works. When you log into a configured Segment environment, you see this view. On the left, we have the different places that Segment is collecting data from, and on the right, we see where these events are being sent to. In this example workspace, we are collecting data from our website, mobile apps, and advertising sources. Under the Catalog tab, you can see the third-party sources that Segment provides out of the box. We often see customers building Segment into their website and mobile apps or server-side libraries. If you don't see the platform you want here, don't worry. You can always add your own source using Segment functions. Let's dive into what data is collected and what that data looks like. We'll click into our sample website. You can see where the source is sending the data to. You can enable or disable the destinations right from this screen without waiting on code changes or development cycles. The debugger view shows a live stream of events as they enter Segment. Click on an event, product viewed, and see what events and properties are sent. As you look through the raw event data, you can see how the event payload is structured. When you integrate with Segment's libraries, the data gets collected and structured to a more consistent format. This enables data consistency across your tools and ensures that we're collecting more detailed information about the event. In addition to event name, we can collect timestamps and better data of the event itself. In this example, we see that this is a product viewed event, and the properties about it are visible in the debugger. The schema ties these events together. A common next step is to send this data over to a warehouse. The Schema tab provides a quick view of what Segment is collecting beyond the name level. By drilling into this product viewed, we can see all the properties collected about each event. The event is structured in a consistent format, so it provides a quick way to see what data is collected and standardizes the format of it. If we head back to our main workspace, you can see all the different destinations that Segment sends data to. We have generic data destinations that stream these events in real time to webhooks. We also have storage destinations where events are sent to your data warehouse or data lake. On the destination side, we support the connection between multiple tools. If we dive into Mixpanel, a business analytics tool, we can configure where we want Mixpanel to receive data from and drop in the project token for the desired destination. Here we are already configured to receive data from the website, so it's already filled out. Segment can switch destinations or add new destinations using historical data easily. Segment stores and archives the data as a central data collection point. This allows you to replay it into new destinations. If one of your destinations goes down, or you need to recover data from a certain time period, we can replay events to that destination from that time period. If you switch email providers or analytics tools, Segment lets you replay that historical data into a new destination. Now that you see how Segment integrates your customer data, our next video will discuss how to ensure data quality.